make a quick pillow for the video this week, but remember, my sewing machine is all taken apart, and I haven't had a chance to put it back together, and I don't want to take it out of there because it's a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna need to find time to put that back together. So right now I'm sewing by hand, and so I'm basically I'm making a pillow that's kind of like this. I'll have the design in the center, and then however bigger it needs to be to fit the right size, I'll just put some strips around it. So yeah, so I've got these little triangles I've been sewing together, and it's really amazing how fast they go by hand. It really doesn't take that long, but I really couldn't do it in time to make the entire video. So we'll have to see some progress next week yeah, it's really going to be pretty though. So I've got this, and then I may do some strips of some of these colors around it. And then I have this blue and black gingham to do on the back. So yeah, I don't usually like to use the iron very much because I always end up with trouble ironing things, so I can't get them to lay flat to show you, but you got to use your imagination. And then I have this great pillow insert that I'm just gonna put in there. So yeah, so that's what we have. So hopefully next week you'll get to see it finished. That's what I'm hoping for. So anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.